My name is Yvette Cheeks. I'm a nurse educator and I teach and provide patients with peripheral therapy and central line therapy. We have patients who suffer anxiety from multiple sticks in the past. We have patients who are chronically ill or have had other medical problems that make it difficult to access their veins. VeinLite has increased our first stick success. Our patient satisfaction scores have elevated and our nurses' confidence has increased. With this elderly patient, we may not need to use a tourniquet, as the tourniquet can create too much pressure on fragile veins. We're going to take the VeinLite LED device and scan from left to right perpendicular to the patient's arm. Once we locate a vein, we can follow it down. Notice the bifurcations. And this is helping us map and illuminate and figure out which vein is going to be the best choice. Once we find the vein that we want to utilize, we're going to turn the device parallel, and I'm going to put my thumb on the front and my forefingers around the back. All of this is going to stretch the skin, provide traction, close the vein, and lift it. And now you no longer have to worry about those veins rolling on you.